What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Fierce Marriage, brand new video. As you guys see, we got some wheels. These things came in, yesterday? So what I'm going for is something crazy in the rear. So we're gonna do some big boy tires. These, obviously you guys can see they're welds. The box looks pretty cool, I ain't even gonna lie. But we're gonna unbox these. We're only gonna unbox one of them. So, I mean, they're both the same. So we're just gonna unbox one of them and we're just gonna get straight into it, all right? So, get this unboxed. Let's get this thing open. So, you guys are gonna see by the title and thumbnail, but we got the welds. I don't even know how you pronounce that. I'm gonna just say Ventura bed locks. So hopefully I'm saying that right. So first thing we got is some stickers. You guys can see, first thing on top is the bed lock that goes around the wheel. This thing looks freaking crazy. Sheesh, look. This thing looks good. This thing actually feels pretty light too. I'm not even gonna lie, this thing is pretty light. But all right, let's cover this back up. We gotta get these bad boys installed right away. All right. Just set that there. All right, then some cover. Look at this. This thing looks pretty awesome. Well, performance. Get this bag taken off. Get this wheel cover. Oh, okay. So we're not there yet. We're not there yet. We gotta take out some other things. Ooh, man. I'm getting excited. You guys can already see them. Take this off. First look, you guys ready? Here are the new Mustang rear wheels. Woo! Those things look good. Damn. Yo, these things look crazy. Look, dang, it's all gloss black in the back, like the. Let me actually take this off, so you guys can actually see how it's gonna look. Literally like this. What a big meaty tire. Sheesh. Boy, these look so good. I can't even wait till they're on the car. But yeah, guys, the other box down here is the same exact wheel. So you guys see, we got 17 by 10. Let me read the specs to you guys. We got 17 by 10, and then a 50 offset, backspace, 7.5, and then this is gloss black, obviously. And then yeah, I don't know, you guys check out the sticker if you want. So you guys see the specs. I'm gonna take that out. Let's see. Man, this thing feels like super satisfying. Dang. This thing is actually pretty light, I'm not even gonna lie. Look at this. Yo, this thing looks so good. Wow. Check out the back. Sorry for the lighting if it's dark, but yeah, this thing's like all black. This thing is nice. Oops, we forgot something. Then we got this. All the bolts, all the hardware, 25 pieces. Let's see. Where's my, maybe, I don't know, the valve stem might be in here too. But the cap is already in. Open this up so we see what we get. Hardware. So one thing I am not seeing, I don't know, it might be in the other box. Who knows? But one thing I'm not seeing so far is my valve stem. So these are just all bolts and washers. So I don't know, we're gonna have to contact some people or check the other box. But yeah, that's probably everything that's in this box. There's more packaging. Yep, that's everything. So far it looks like I'm missing a valve stem. But we're gonna check the other box, see what's up. So as you guys see, new wheels for the Mustang, the Whipple Mustang. So this is gonna be a short video, so if you guys enjoyed, hit the like button, subscribe, and for next video, hopefully we can get these installed, but we'll see. See you guys in the next one. All right, what's going on YouTube? So this clip is just gonna be thrown into the video with the wheels, but obviously when you guys watch this video, there's the wheels. So these just came in today. So I don't know if you guys could already see, but through the bag, but we got some tires and we got some Nittos. If you guys can see that. We got some Nittos 555 R2s. So I've been hearing a lot of good things about this tire, and these things look awesome, man. Little wet spot because it is raining over here. Oh, Jesus, these things look good. Look at this. Two of my hands. I mean, they're 305s. But wow, these things, they already feel grippy, like the plastic is sticking to them. But yeah, we got the other one in my room, but we're gonna get these bad boys installed, man. These are some meaty boys. Oh, these things are gonna hook so good. I can't wait to do some pulls on these guys. We'll see when we get them installed, when we're able to. I gotta hit up one of my friends to see if they can help me install these.
Alright. All I needed was a chance. All I needed was a chance. Show the world who I am.